Here are the key features of the horizontal single-axis tracking system manufactured by Grace Solar. Our company performed a thorough analysis of advantages and disadvantages of main existing tracking systems and developed a balanced solution offering operational safety, stability, reliability and efficiency in one package. Striving for highest efficiency, we integrated the latest technologies in our tracking system. Astronomical tracking algorithm with tilt sensor allows us to locate the sun position with highest accuracy. ±2 degrees shadow tracking mode positions the array in a shadow-free zone. This product can improve conversion efficiency of solar modules by up to 25%, optimizing arrays performance. Various protection features include strong wind protection system, lightning protection and anti-torque stabilisation system ensures safety and operational stability. Wireless remote control with multiple handy functions such as positioning of arrays for self-cleaning on a rainy day or automatic snow removal by tilting the panels makes operation quick and trouble-free. Up to 90 solar panels can be operated by one tracker. This product conveniently supports all commercially available modules and both 1000 and 1500 volt systems. Tracking range is up to 60 degrees. Typical ground coverage is more than 35%. For driving systems, we use a highly reliable 24 volts DC slewing drive with external power supply. Typical energy consumption is quite low, just 0.08 kilowatts per hour. Standard design allows the tracker to withstand up to 47 meters per second wind, which is enough for most installation sites, but we can customize the tracker with higher wind load by the customer requirements. Structure materials are made from hot dip galvanized steel, ensuring strong anti-corrosion resistance. Various foundation options are available, such as ramming, pre-drilling or concrete piles. Operational temperature range is conveniently wide from -30 to +60 degrees, allowing us to use this product in very diverse environments, including areas with rapidly changing temperatures, such as deserts. Our company, based in Xiamen City in coastal Fujian province of mainland China, is an experienced developer of photovoltaic industry products, focusing on mounting systems and trackers. Our own research and development department, highly automated production facilities with strict quality control and management systems, allows us to manufacture highly reliable and cost-effective solutions for the global market. Furthermore, Grace Solar strives to acquire international authority certifications for our products and actively cooperates with certification institutions such as TÜV, CE, 𝐃𝐞𝐲 𝐋𝐢𝐳, AS/NZS 1170 and others. We also registered various patents and software copyrights for our innovative products.